with the safe ground in here.
Are you kidding me? That's how you start a morning right there.
Well, good morning, guys. Day 23 today.
Yep.
Starting my day off with my routine from this trip. Mountain Ops Hot Ignite. And last night, had me some slumber again. Still my favorite thing Mountain Ops makes. I don't know, the meals we had the other day were pretty good.
Those were legit.
It's toss up now, but I like to sleep more than I like to eat, so. And it is super extra double frosty out there this morning and
Extra,
cold.
Extra double frosty.
Super extra double.
Super extra. I can't even comprehend that.
Yeah.
It's too early.
I would have said Uber, but I know how bad you hate that word.
Stop it.
Anyway, guys, this is our last day out here on this little leg of the trip, and then we're gonna be headed home because my daughter's got a dance performance, and then I don't know where we're going from there, but we got a couple local spots we do pretty good with still, so I think we're gonna go hit those starting on Monday possibly. So anyway, hopefully we have a pretty good day today and get us real close to that 100. That's the first time I can honestly say it's got darker as the sun came
I
up.
was thinking the exact same thing, dude.
The sunrise was so effing bright that it actually got darker as the sun came up.
It did. It literally got a lot darker.
That's not right.
I was just thinking that. It was last like 5 minutes. I was like, how crazy is that? It just got darker.
The Earth just
I feel
rotated
like I was in
backwards.
Oregon on the eclipse again.
Seriously. Well, I'll take that.
Heck yeah, dude. Man, I gotta start getting more patient though. Like, I shot that 100% through a bush.
Really?
Absolutely. Like, odds are he's probably blowed up.
You hit him high, I could tell.
That's all I had. All I
Yeah.
had was like the neck and head. Yeah, first stand of the morning, day 23. Look at this tank.
It's a big freaking coyote.
That's a big, big dog.
Scale worthy.
Yeah, we're putting the scale on him. I'm gonna say he's 38 pounds.
I'm gonna go with 38.1. You never go first, Garrett.
Well, you don't ever be that guy and go 38.1 when it's Price is Right rules, dude. Who does that?
This guy, that's who does. Well guys, that stand right there is a perfect example of a coyote's either going to come to a call or it's not. We had 3 different groups of coyotes, one straight out in front, one down to our right, one up to our left, that were all howling back, and not one of them came in. Granted, 2 of the groups were quite a ways off, but the one was just across the wash over here, and you know, who knows, maybe they seen us drive up or saw us walk in or something, but either way, played every sound in the book, and they're either going to come or they're not. Just because they're there doesn't mean you can call them in. This coyote, guys, was staring right at us. We did not dare move. That's why we're moving so slow, and I didn't get him zoomed in very far. He started moving, and I had a hard time finding him again. He ain't gonna go very far.
No, he's going to go.
Talk about a late comer.
Gosh damn.
Is that over 20?
That's at 8 minutes in.
How much?
8. I was like, we're not getting anything, and we're at 16 right now.
Yeah. I heard you kiss, and I was like, ah, crap. Where is he?
Did you see him?
Yeah, I did. I don't know. I didn't dare turn.
Did you see how slow I had to turn?
Yeah, so I just kind of looked at the ridge top and pointed it that direction, so.
92.
Whew. I was getting worried we weren't going to get any more today.
I was too, man. I kind of, again, I made a bad trigger pull. I bet I hit, because he's kind of almost broadside.
You hit him back?
I bet I hit him front, actually.
Oh, really?
I don't know. I kind of pulled it a little bit, but.
Hi guys, sorry about that. Battery died when Garrett was saying something, so what were you saying?
I was saying, somebody asked the other day, is it worth sitting past 15 minutes? How many coyotes do you actually kill past 15, between 15 and 20 minutes? I bet we've killed 10 in the last week. So it's definitely worth it. This one was almost 17 minutes, 16:40 something. We come in, big old male. That's 2 big dogs today.
Yep. We had one the other day that came in at what, 1940?
Yeah.
And then we had one the other day that came in at probably 25. We didn't end up shooting it because it was standing there when we drove by to the next stand. So yeah, I would say most of the time it is worth sitting a full 20 minutes.
Especially in open country. That's the biggest thing. If you're in tighter country, rolling hills, big breaks.
Or the wind's blowing hard.
Or the wind's blowing hard, but you can see this stuff we're calling in. I mean, it's wide open, flat. It's definitely worth spending that extra 5 minutes sitting there.
Well guys, it's a little after noon and we just had the 2 come in today and got both of those. And I gotta get home so I can get some video loaded, because if I don't, you guys aren't gonna have a video for tomorrow, which is not really tomorrow, but you guys will know it is like a week ago. Anyway, say goodbye to our home. Jumping jack, been comfy. It's been a good stay. Gotta get all of our bed put back together in the canvas cutters. Garrett's just gonna go back to sleep. Pack up all the heaters and mountain ups and computers and all that stuff. All the stuff and things.
All the stuff and things. Oh god.
And yeah, then we're gonna make a few stands on the way home on the highway. We know a couple of stands there off the highway that we've made before traveling back and forth, so we're gonna go make a couple of those. Hope to get a couple more coyotes for the day and then hit it again tomorrow. Well guys, we made those few stands on the highway. Didn't call anything on the first one. Second one we ended up calling in 2, but it was so thick that we ended up not even getting a shot off. So that's right, we still got plenty of hunting left to go. Thanks for watching guys.